Welcome back. Today is Monday, April 11th. I have an extremely busy work week this week. I feel like I'm always saying that. I'm gonna work from home at least for the first half of the day. Everything I've got can be done remotely. I just do better creative work when I'm not in an office with no windows. But before we get to that, we're gonna start off the return to regular vlogs with an unboxing, because I'm always buying stuff. This is an AeroPress, which is a coffee brewing tool. I used to have one, but I don't anymore. So I got another one. And the way it works, I actually don't know what that is. I remember the last one having it. I think it's a stand. It's sweet, it came with a bunch of filters. So these are the filters, okay? So you take your filter, put it in this thing, it screws on here. Put your finely ground coffee into this compartment, and each of these numbers is how many tablespoons of coffee you put in there. So if you do 2, that makes a double shot of espresso. So you put the grounds in there, and then you fill up to the 2 with your hot water. Okay, you stir it up, place this over your cup, and plunge it down, and it makes espresso shots because it is highly pressurized hot water being pressed through. It's not quite like an espresso machine, but if you do it right, you get that nice 3-layer crema. Then you pour the remaining hot water into your cup to make an Americano. Today I'm really in the mood for iced coffee, so we're gonna try and make an iced Americano. This coffee was roasted like a week ago. Correction, the numbers are for the number of scoops, not tablespoons. All right, so we're gonna do 2 scoops. Shake it up. Okay, we're gonna pour up to the 2, slowly, right about there. Gonna stir for about 10 seconds. And now we slowly but firmly press down. And we now have iced espresso. We now have a handcrafted iced Americano. All right, now we gotta actually get to work. All right, got a decent amount of work done. Today is National Pet Day, so we're gonna go get a treat, because Dutch has been a good boy, kinda. It is very nice out today. The weather has sucked pretty much the entire time the vlog has been in a hiatus. There hasn't been snow or anything, but it's just been cold and rainy, and winter just won't go away. Today, however, it is 65, sunny, overcast, but I think it's supposed to rain here in a few hours, and probably not even gonna see the sun for the rest of the week. So we're enjoying it while we can. Well, I'm all done for work for the day, but I was just upstairs and my doorbell rang, and it was a guy that lives across the street telling me that the windows in my car are down and it's pouring rain. The worst part is Dutch's seat cover is not really in place, so now my car is gonna smell like wet dog for God knows how long. You know, I almost didn't answer that, because usually when someone rings your door, it's just someone trying to sell something. But I'm glad that this time I answered. This has kind of been the vibe all week so far, just with the weather, just cloudy and rainy. But I will say, at least it's warm. It's been in like the 60s. It's a much different vibe for me when it's warm and rainy versus when it's cold and rainy. When it's in like the 30s and raining, it's the worst thing ever. But at least like right now, it's warm, and so like you have the smell of like spring rain in the air, fresh cut grass everywhere. It's not sunny and 75, but I'll take it for now. I spontaneously decided to try an egg white grill from Chick-fil-A for the first time. Probably not gonna have time to take a lunch break today. So I ran out for a late breakfast on my way to work. So it's got grilled chicken, an English muffin, an egg, and cheese. There's no way this can be bad. Not bad. I will probably stick with a chicken biscuit or minis for my go-to Chick-fil-A breakfast, but that's pretty good. Well, another day in the bag, another day of me not filming anything. One of these days, I'm gonna get good at this, but I honestly didn't think to film anything while it was happening, so I was kind of focused on surviving. But here just a little bit ago, we had a crazy storm roll in. It wasn't that wild here where I'm at. But I was watching Ryan Hall on YouTube, who's a meteorologist YouTuber that goes live and tracks storms and all that. And there were some places around this area of the country that got kind of wild. I think there were some tornadoes, nothing too wild, but there for a second it looked like it was about to get really raunchy here. You hiding out from the storm, buddy? You go get in bed, go upstairs? Let's go, come on. Let's go upstairs. It's always frustrating because my yard doesn't look that bad. But last year I was really bad about keeping my yard mowed. Partially, actually almost entirely because my mower was screwed up and I couldn't really mow it without borrowing one from someone. But this year I want to stay on top of it. This entire week it just keeps raining. Spring is so weird. Today, my car says it's 45 right now, but I'm in shorts and a t-shirt and it doesn't feel that weird. Like it's technically not that warm, but there's just something about the feel of the air that makes it feel warmer than it is. I forgot my watch, so I don't know what the actual temperature is. Usually my car is pretty close. Wow, it has been a long day. It's raining again. I just came out to grab a little pizza from Jets. It's raining again, and it actually smells like summer rain now. You know that smell when it rains in the summer? Happy Saturday. Today I have a lot of cleaning to get done because this past week has been hell at work, and when I get busy with work I just kind of throw stuff everywhere. And now instead of having a nice day off, I get to spend the morning cleaning it all up, and I have no one to blame but myself. Happy Easter! He is risen indeed. Right, Dutch? It's not that warm today, but it's at least kind of nice out. Going to see my parents. Is that pretty good?